Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I'm gonna show you the examples of printed materials and non-printed materials. But first, do you know the meaning of printed materials and non-printed materials? Printed materials are, are primarily paper-based materials that reach intended audiences through written words or illustrations. While non-printed materials are media that use electronics or mechanical energy. Now, let's proceed to the examples of printed materials and non-printed materials. I have prepared three printed materials and two non-printed materials. For printed materials, I have a book, a newspaper, and a magazine. While non-printed materials, I have a cell phone and I have a laptop. Thank you for watching. Bye! Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Ito, pag gusto ito.